Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and all my new subscribers. Today, Mr. Belle would like to thank everyone. In this 2023, Mr. Belle be doing a lot of different videos. Today I have my daughter with me, my young daughter, Jonella. She's be helping out in this video today. She don't have school, so she running in the kitchen to help Dad out. What are we gonna be doing today?
Today we are making Bitso-Bitso.
And what are the ingredients we using today?
Today we are using Crescent, Pillsbury dough, sugar, and oil.
And you know we'll be doing it in this Power XL. You can do it in a Power XL or you can do it in the stove. So today, for all my first time viewers, you know this top got to come off if I'm doing some frying in here. So that's all you have to do is wiggle 1, 2, up it go. I'm going to set this to the side. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to pour my oil in here. First of all, I'm going to set it on fry. Set it on fry. I'm gonna set it on fire, set the temperature for 375, and I'm gonna set the minutes for 25 minutes. I'm gonna start with, because it don't take that long to cook. And I'm gonna start it with 25. I might not use all the 25 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna press start. And what it's going to be doing, it's going to be preheating and everything while the oil is there. So what I'm using, some mustard oil. You can use any kind of oil you want. I want my daughter to get back in this video. She's a little bit shy, but she's not going to be shy when it's time to eat these. It's easy. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this oil right here and pour it in here and let this be getting nice, good, and hot and everything. I'm going to pour this oil just like this to be letting it get nice, good, and hot. I'm not going to put a lot in here. I'm going to just put that's enough, about right there. And I'm going to let that get nice, good, and hot. It's going to be just enough to cover it up and everything. Just like that. And let it get nice and warm while we start making them. Hey, I took it out the pack, so I just rolled out the first label just like that. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to roll it just like this. Just take my time and roll that up just like that. Roll it like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut it in pieces just like that. And that's all you do. Take it in your hand and roll it like that. Just roll it like that. And just roll it. And this right here is going to be so delicious. It's going to be a nice dessert that after dinner or before dinner or during lunch, which during lunch we're going to enjoy these right here. So just like this, like this. Okay, now we are ready to put them in and everything. We can have them rolled up, as you know. So I'm going to just lay them in like this and let it just sit in there and just fry. As you see, it's just sits in the way. And that's all you do is drop them in just like that. Drop them in just like that. I'm going to just drop them in nice and easy. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step and everything when he cooking. So that way we can always do this together. Like I say, this is a nice dish. This right here is mostly like a Filipino dish, but this is delicious for everyone. And we're gonna let that fry just like that. I'm gonna lay them in just like this. And as you see, they cooking nice and good and everything. I'm gonna just turn them over so you get an idea how it look and everything. And turn all of them over just like that. Some of them are done already. And flip it over. Flip that one over. Flip it over. Flip it over just like that. These right here is gonna be so delicious, and then you just put them in, roll them in some sugar. My daughter be roll them in the sugar and everything. Yeah. Just like that. Just flip them over. And I'm gonna take some of these out right now. Some of these are done. This one is done. Sit it right here. Sit it right here on the paper and everything. I'm gonna leave that one in a little bit longer. This one right here just about done. I'm gonna sit it so the grease could get off it, the excess grease and everything. Like that. Sit it over. Then. Okay, I'm taking the ones out that's it's done already. Take them out and shake it up real good and everything. Like that. Just shake them, put them on that paper towel so they can get an idea of how it goes.
So now, since they're done, I'm gonna roll them into the sugar. Just like coat it everywhere. And then put it to the side. Then I'm gonna roll the next one. Make sure it looks like that. Then you're just gonna roll the rest of them just like this.
Okay, so now I'm just sitting this second batch in like this. Just put them in like that. Just drop them in. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna take these out. They're nice and brown and everything. And I'm just gonna shake them. And take them out like this. Sit them over here on this plate. It's nice and good. Like that. And just sit them right over here. Just shake all this grease off them like this. You know, Miss Belle likes to take you step by step. You also can make these on the stove and everything. We usually make them on the stove, but this is the first time I'm doing it in the Power XL. And these are gonna be so delicious, and it's just bite size. So, put them over there, let them cool off. Okay, I took the last batch out already, and I have 16 minutes from the 25 minutes. So actually, I only used 14 minutes, and I'm gonna press cancel, and I'm just gonna unplug this. And as you see, we have most of them already. My daughter already rolled them in the...
Yeah, I rolled them in the sugar and they're right here. This is what it should look like once you're done rolling them.
So we're gonna finish rolling these, and then we're gonna taste it together.
And this is your Bitso-Bitso. It's a Filipino dessert. You can have it big or small. We like to have it small because it's bite-sized.
And we're gonna taste one together. And when she said bite-sized, it's bite-sized. This right here will probably be gone in like 20 minutes because the kids love it. I love it. And this is very delicious. This is Cooking with the Bells.
We did it again.
If you like it, subscribe. That's all you have to do is hit that button, ding, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. We have plenty more dishes. By the way, we'll be doing some more dishes of Filipino food too, dessert. Thank you.